Losing a tooth is more than a gap in your smile. It affects how you chew, speak, and even how your jawbone stays healthy. In today's world, modern dentistry offers a solution that doesn't just fill the space, it replaces what was lost. Today we explore the single-tooth dental implant. A single-tooth implant is a permanent replacement that mimics both the root and the visible part of your missing tooth. A small titanium post is placed into the jawbone where the natural root once existed. Over time, the bone grows around this post in a process called osseointegration, creating a foundation as strong as your natural tooth. Once healed, a custom-made crown is attached, restoring function and appearance. Unlike traditional options, this implant stands on its own and preserves the health of surrounding teeth. The journey begins with careful evaluation and planning, using detailed imaging to map your jaw's anatomy. During a routine appointment under local anesthesia, the implant post is placed into the bone. The healing phase that follows, often several months, is crucial as the bone and implant fuse together. Only after this solid foundation is formed does the custom crown get attached, completing the new tooth. In some cases, if bone density is insufficient, additional procedures such as bone grafting may be recommended to strengthen the foundation before implant placement. This step ensures long-term stability and success. Throughout the process, your dental team closely monitors healing and comfort, guiding you from surgery to final restoration with precision and care. What sets single-tooth implants apart is their long-term benefit. Unlike dental bridges, which require grinding down healthy adjacent teeth, implants leave neighboring teeth untouched. The implant also plays a vital role in preserving bone, preventing the shrinkage and bone loss that often follow tooth loss. And because the implant replaces the root itself, it feels and functions like a natural tooth. With an implant in place, everyday life changes. Chewing becomes more comfortable, speech becomes clearer, and smiles become more confident. You can bite into foods you love and laugh without hesitation, knowing your tooth is stable and secure. With proper care, regular brushing, flossing, and dental checkups, your implant can last decades, often becoming a permanent part of your mouth. A missing tooth doesn't have to define your life. Modern implant technology can restore the health, function, and beauty of your smile. If you're considering a single-tooth implant, expert guidance can make all the difference. Call Fillmore Dental Group at 805-524-9100 to schedule your consultation and take the first step toward a confident new smile.